Hello everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the strength on your Logitech Pro steering wheel. So as you guys can see, we have it right here. Now look at how easy it's turning. I can do that with one hand and it's very hard when you use a little bit of strength, just like me. I'm not even trying and I can do a full spin. So go to the Logitech G Hub. Now select your steering wheel, the Pro one, and here we will have the strength. As you guys can see, I have 1 nanometer here and we can change it up to 11, and as you guys can see now it's not that easy. So I just tried to turn it and I moved my, as you guys can see, it's very hard. After 350 degrees it's very hard. So notice the difference. I cannot go further with entire hand. Now let's change it, and I'll do it with one finger. So it's very important to choose the strength that you need. As you guys can see, let's try out 6.6, and now I feel like I'm driving a real car. And when I will try and have fun in the games with my friends, then I'll simply go for 1 just to make sure that I'm hitting every corner. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.